How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the mounting options of our ZX-180 surface mounts. So for example here, I have our under mirror mount attached. Here is our L brackets, and then you'll also get your surface mount flange included as well. So you'll see here on our undermount flange that your wires will run up through your mounting hardware, and then you can easily mount this under your mirror for a low profile mount. And then if you would like to use the L brackets, you'll see that you'll have the L brackets included as well, and those will attach via screw, and then you can use your two L brackets there to attach your surface mount via L brackets. And then if you would like to mount your surface mount as a classic surface mount, you can remove this hardware or not use that hardware, and then use your surface mount flange that will easily go over your ZX-180 to make it a classic surface mount. So you'll see that you have those three mounting options that will come included with your ZX-180s. Now for example here, I brought an amber TIR unit, and then here is a multicolor linear unit in red blue. But we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in TIR and multicolor linear. And then you will have 24 included flash patterns on your TIR unit, and you'll have 34 flash patterns on your multicolor linear. And then you'll also have your other features such as sync, alt sync, and steady burn override just as well on all of our Z surface mounts. If you have any questions, make sure to watch the product demos on the product pages, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.